Hey everybody, so I have this folding Bluetooth keyboard that I got to connect to my work tablet because I am tired of trying to type on the itty bitty screen. And I got it yesterday at Aldi. I think I paid $9.99 for it, but I want to see if it is any good. So we're going to try it out today. So I flipped the bad boy over. It is a Bluetooth. It says it's ideal for home or office use. It's got a battery saving sleep mode, and we can charge it by plugging it into a USB-C charging input, which is good because I have that's the same kind of charger that my phone and my headphones take, so it looks like it's going to be pretty universal for charging purposes. It does say that it's compatible with Android, Microsoft, and Apple. You can see where I bought it and sold it Aldi. And then some information on the Bluetooth trademark for whatever I would need that for. Let's see. This is what it looks like. They had a green one, which is what I got. They had a pink one and a black one. I've already got a pink keyboard at work, and I'm trying not to be as annoying as I can. So let's take a look and see what this is going to be like. Slid the guy out of the little packaging, and now we have this. It looks pretty small, which is good because who would want to travel with a large folding keyboard? I'm not sure. But it is almost like the one that I have at work that is wireless keyboard. It doesn't have the little keypad right here with the numbers, and it looks like the control and FN key are the same. It's got a little on-off switch and a little power light, it looks like. A little button to connect. So let's get this out of the package, and we will try connecting it up. Before I connect it up, I did get it out of the package. I want to see. It's about a little bit bigger than a cell phone, it looks like. It does, like, I'm not holding it. It looks like I'm holding it closed. I'm not holding it closed. It does kind of stay closed. Seems relatively easy to open. Now let's hook it up and try it. So I switched the little switch on, and the power light came on. Let's hit the connect button and see. And then I'm going to take my tablet and... where's my Bluetooth? Click on Bluetooth. And devices, Bluetooth keyboard. Let's hit pair. Okay, so it says that it's connected. Let's just go into, hold on. Let's just get a new note up here, and I'm gonna say, hi. Oh. So it definitely does work. It's a little weird getting used to it because it's just little. Let's see. So it's not F2, it's control. So I would have to hit the control button to access the numbers. And then the FN button would access these little blue guys up here at the top. All in all, it was like $10. So I think pretty good deal. It's just a little one. It's about the same size as the tablet itself. So, right now, Aldi's $10. I say it's a win.